Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Here we are at the Crafter Square. Let's see what they have. Okay guys, you know the routine. We're gonna go through everything together, and if I spot something new, I'll let you know. Okay, so here we have the liquid adhesive. This is the old packaging, guys, and this is the new packaging. Okay, so we have that all the way down. Then we have the detailing scissors over here, and here's the residue eraser. I haven't tried that yet. Then we have a few of the acrylic paints right here. Then you have the glitter glue. And then these guys is fabric glue, fabric paint. And they come in that, what is that, orange or red, green, white, black. That's pretty neat. I gotta work with those and see how they are. That's red, yellow, white back here, and there's a blue back there. So that's what they have here. Then they have the apron. Those come in handy, and they also come in colors. Then you have the chunky brushes. Then you have the glue sticks and the multicolor glitter. And then they have some more of these glue markers. Then you have your glitter glue. Okay. Then you have your palette knife set. And then you have over here, this is called a piercing and scoring tool set. Okay, and then this one is called an embossing stylus. Okay, and then you have some sponge dabbers. Okay, all the way down here. Then down here you have the craft bead storage containers, and those can come in colors, guys. Some more aprons over here, plenty of those. Then we have the stencil brush here, and some metallic markers back there. Yeah, then you have these art brushes. Then you have this foam roller with the tray, and that comes with interchanging blades, guys, and some more brushes. So then if we come here, you have the small of the glue sticks, okay, for the small glue gun. Then you have these glitter glues and all these colors, guys, and here are the neon colors over here. So then over here, guys, you have your wood glue. And then this is pretty neat. They have a foam poster board adhesive. Okay, so I haven't tried that yet, but I want to try that. Then you have the craft glue, and then you have the Mod Podge, which we can never have too much, so I'll grab 2 of those. Down here we have the little wooden trays, and then here we have the box. Let me show you. Here we have the box with the laser cut top. This is the owl. Then they have the house. Isn't that cute? I gotta think of something to do with that, guys. And then I absolutely love their glue sticks, guys. Look at them. For the large glue gun, they're only $1, and I stack up on them every chance I get. So now I'm noticing they brought these back. They didn't have them for a while. So let's look. They have the fabric. So then they have this one here with the dogs. Isn't that cute? Then they have this one here with the cat. Let's see. Then they have, I don't know if this has little chicks. Not sure. Then they have this one with the unicorn. This one with the stars. Let's see what else. They have this kind right here. Let's see what else they have. Oh, look at this one. It has cupcakes and strawberries. And then they have this polka dot one. That's all I'm noticing. That's new as far as the fabric. Okay, and then, yeah, it's the same thing on this side, guys. You see them? So I'm glad they brought those back. Then over here you have the multicolor popsicle sticks and some more of those boxes. And I already showed you they have some of these trays. So that's pretty neat, guys. Let's move down. So the canvases, we have this size here, which is 8 by 10. So you got, this is the regular canvas. So they got some of those, and they got my 11 by 14 panels. You have that right here. Then you have some more of the 8 by 10. So they're pretty stocked with those. Pretty sure that's what they are. These are 8 by 10s, and I think these are 5 by 7s. No, these are 6 by 8. Let's see. Yeah, these are 6 by 8, guys. So this is called Rich Art, and they stocked up on the paint, guys. So these are the colors that they have. That purple is really nice, isn't it? I think that's purple. Maybe that's blue. Then the prank colors. They're pretty full. And they're pretty full with the glitter again. So they have that pink, that gold, the silver, the green, that baby blue, the gold back here. I like that. And then here they have the Crayola. I think this is water paint, washable paint. Okay, so they have some of that. And then you have some of these paint little palette things. And then here you have some more poster paint and finger paints and some more of the piercing and scoring tools. They're pretty stocked. So here's the felt. Guys, look at all the colors of the felt. The only one I don't see is the black, and here it is. Okay, so we're stocked in those. Then you have the tags. These are really nice. And then they have the heart ones. See the heart ones, the circle ones, and the regular tag ones. Then they have the chalk writers, and they come in those colors. I think I might get, I don't know. I'll see if I need a white one. And here are the applicator squeeze bottles. So then here, guys, you have some of your metallic pens. So here's a blue, there's a gold, here's a silver one. And I don't know, I think this is like a pink. And here's an embossing tool and some more of those metallic pens. Then you have these wooden cubes, guys. So then you have the clothespins. Those are the medium-sized ones. I don't see the mini ones yet. And then here's some more of the tags in the heart shape. So these are the wooden blocks. And then these down here, guys, are the popsicle sticks. Here are the chenille stems. And you have some more of the utility knife and the button, the magnetic buttons. Then you have your feathers in the multicolor and the pom-poms in the multicolor. Here you have the fastener strip and the glue residue eraser. So here, guys, you have the multicolor googly eyes. Then you have your finger protectors here and some washi tape. And you have the wooden beads all the way to the back. I've been looking for the letters, guys, but they brought the felt numbers back, but I don't see any of the letters. So those come in black, white, blue, red. Pretty neat, guys. And then you have the foam stickers. Okay, and those come in all different kinds of shapes. And look at this, even musical notes. Here are your glitter shaker bottles. And those come in all these colors. Then you have your tube confetti here. Oh, here's one pack of the little mini clothespins and some more glitter shakers. And here's some pop dot adhesive, and here's some more of the small little mini clothespins. Then here you have the square pop dot adhesives. And there you have the fastener dots. Here you have the multicolor beads. And then back here the metallic ones. Here you have some more magnetic buttons, some more finger protectors, and these are the metallic pony beads, guys. There's some baker's twine. These are nice color for fall, guys. Some baker's twine. Then you have some more wooden beads here, and these kind of beads, and these. Then you have your tube confetti, so you have that color, these colors, these, and these. Some more clothespins and the residue eraser, and then these are the medium ones. So then they have these metallic beads right here. Here are the gold beads, and those are the silver ones. You have the butterfly gems, the hearts, and then you have the flowers right here. Okay, then you have the multicolor regular beads, and here's some more felt numbers. Then you have the star beads and the black and white googly eyes. Then you have those green heart gems back there, and those are the oval pink, and I think they have the stars over here. And then back, all the way in the back, there's like some of the blue. I can't get back there. More of my favorite glue sticks. I love those. And some more of the glitter. And then they have these cork adhesive sheets, guys. These are so nice. The foam beads, and then here's your jute twine, guys. And then here are your craft boxes in the heart, the round, and the square. Okay, these are rub-on stickers. Okay, so they have that kind of the rub-ons, and they have that kind, the unicorn. Then they have this piece. Isn't this cute? This is handmade. 6-piece handmade. So this one says peace. I'm not sure if these are all in the right place, but look at these. Aren't they pretty? So now, these are rub-on stickers, guys. I think that pattern is very beautiful. So those are rub-on, and then look at these. These are so pretty. So then they have these foam stickers, and those are really nice. Then they have these. Aren't they gorgeous, guys? They have different kind. Look at this one. Very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. Then they have these pop-up ones, and then the paper ones with the cupcakes. So then they have that home one, and then they have this one here. This is thankful, faithful, with the watering can, the gardening stuff, and then this one over here says good day. So then they have these. They remind me of stained glass, and yep, those are so pretty. Look at these, the dandelions. Those are gorgeous. And look at that one. They're so pretty. Okay, and then I love these. These are so cute. So these are the sea animals. And then here's the thankful. Then they have this kind here, and the space ones. So then they have some more of these rub-on stickers. These are the pineapples and cactus. And then this one here is thankful. There's just so many of them. These are really pretty right here. Okay, and then these are the spaceship, the airplane. Here's the food. I love these. These are so cute. Okay, and here's the pirate, the spaceship, and there are the poofy, the paw, and the dog. And here are the gems. These are nice too. Here's the mason jar ones, and here's the multicolored gems. Okay, and then you have these right here. These are the gold ones, the rub-ons. They look so cute. I gotta practice with those more. And then they have these gems here. I needed the clear ones. Okay, so then we move over to the stencil. So they have the regular stencils. Let me see what else is in here. Okay, so these are regular stencils also. That's the lowercase letters. And then you have the air balloon, the airplane, the unicorn. Then these are called flexible stencils. So they have different kind there. And these are also regular stencils. Sea animals, the flowers, the hearts. And then they have these. They're so pretty. Then they have these. Aren't they gorgeous? These guys are, what are those, hummingbirds? And then they have some more of these. So then I guess they moved the planner stickers over here. I don't know why they did that. The planner stuff is in the front, but that's okay. It's planner stickers, so those are back. Then you have the more rub-on stickers. These are the rub-ons in the gold. Guys, these are gorgeous. Let me just show you. And then they have regular stickers over here. These are so good. These, I love this font. So these are nice, and they come in different fonts. And these are also the rub-ons, and these are regular stickers. So they have these little boxes here. This is the crown. This one's the apple. Okay, and this is the pineapple. So then they have this cat, and then they have the cactus and the cross. So far I haven't seen anything new, guys. So here's a reptile. I think that's a rhino. Then they have the stand-up chalkboard, and then these are the little boxes that slide out. So that's a flower, a butterfly. Okay, then they have these kind of chalkboards that has like a little easel in the back, and then these are the ones you put the stand-up photo ones. Those are cute. That's a heart, a butterfly. Here's a circle. Here's the French dog, and here's the moose. Here's the cat. Here's a butterfly, cactus. Here's the unicorn. And then I don't think I've, and then they have this cross. Then they have these picture frames right here. So then they have the wood cutouts. This is the boat and the anchor and the wheel. Here's the dog, and there's the pineapple in 3D. And then these are the floral cutouts. And then they have some more of these cutouts. I think that's a ladybug, an owl, and a butterfly. And I think I thought I saw a mermaid. Yeah, there she is. And then you have the arrows. Then you have the chalkboard hanging one, and here's another cross. You have the sand, the pebble stones, and here, guys, are the wood stems. So they have different kind, because these are more chunkier, round ones. And then these, and then much shorter. And then these kind, and then these are the longer ones. Then you have your pebble stone here and your sand, your black pebble glass. Here's the clear, here's the multicolor. Here's the red and white, and then here are the marbles and the multicolor. Here, guys, hanging is the floral moss with the floral spray. The square vases right here. So we have this kind of vase. It's only one on this shelf. Then you have this vase here, the heart one, and then the fishbowl. And this one looks like a little carafe. And then this one is different. I always point this out because it's unusual. And then you have these up here. Here you have these tea lights. Okay, those are not new. You have this and this kind here. Let me see. I think this is new. You are the best. Unless I missed that, that's new to me. We've seen these and these that say homemade. These are the only ones that I saw that were new, came recently. And that's what they have on the bottom here. So then they have these candle holders. These are one of my favorites, and the opalescent ones. And you have your tapered candles. And they even have this pack here is the rose gold, and then this one's the regular gold. I should get those. Then these are, what does this say? Frosted cranberries. Okay, so that's what they have so far here. There are your little tea lights and your incense and your wax. And then this is what we have in the candles. I don't see anything new, guys. So thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. And I will see you guys in the next video.